Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add a TikTok pixel on Shopify. First, open your web browser. Here, search for Shopify. Click to open shopify.com. First, you need to log in to your account. Once you're in, click on Apps from your left. In the search bar, search for TikTok. You'll find several apps in the results. For the TikTok official app, you can see it shows not compatible. It is developed by TikTok, but it is not compatible with my store. If it will be compatible for your store, you will easily add it to your store. You'll see it right below the apps on your Shopify homepage. This is how you can add a TikTok pixel on Shopify. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.